Insta baddie, baddie style. Insta baddie style. Insta baddie style. Insta baddie style. Insta baddie. Insta baddie style. Insta baddies. This is Insta baddie style. Insta baddies. Insta baddie. Go with Insta baddie. Insta baddie. You know Insta baddies. Insta baddie. This video is not going according to plan. My camera is not cooperating, so I'm on my phone today. So that's what's going on today. That's what's going on. So this is what I'm using. Ring. I almost drowned. I forgot to breathe.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Brush my teeth. I put on lotion. And it looks very like white at first, but I do it a lot because I have very dry skin and it's the winter time, and in the winter time my skin is super dry.
Nobody cares.
Alright, we're gonna do our makeup. Good enough. Good enough. We're gonna do our makeup baddie style. This this big old makeup box is literally bigger than my head. So yeah. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, here's the top part, the middle, the bottom. It's very unorganized. Things are not where they should be, but you know, whatever. They're in there. Should I put a lot of foundation? I think, you know what? Insta baddies do wear a lot of foundation, so that's what we're gonna do. A lot of it. So we're gonna really get it in there. We're just gonna pour it on our face. It's like acne because of this. I'm gonna blame y'all. Should I put it on my nose? Yeah. Because it's Insta baddie style. I look crazy. Oh my god. It's Insta baddie style. Okay, so then I got my foundation brush. I need to clean my brushes, to be honest. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of makeup, but it's Insta baddie style. It's the baddie style. It's the baddie style. I think I might need a new foundation color because something tells me this is not my color, but something tells me it is my color. I want to make sure I get everywhere only because I want it to look even. Because, you know, it's the baddie style.
Shut up! Shut up!
This don't look right to me. But we're gonna do it because it's the baddie style. If I say Insta baddie style one more time, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I be seeing like Insta baddies have like the little bushy brow thingy, so I'm gonna do that, I guess. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it too much, just like at the beginning of my eyebrow, and then at the end I'm gonna have it like straight. Yes, sir. Is this Insta baddie style? I don't know, is it? We're not there yet. Go down. I followed a tutorial, so I'm trying to like remember what they told me to. Start from the eyebrow on this side and go across like that. Not looking how I need it to. My concealer, and I'm going to put it down my nose. This is how I want it, but this is not how I want it. Oh, okay, so I'm done. I'm done-ish. Am I doing this right? Why does my eyebrow look like that? Oh, that's a pimple. Okay, and I know Insta Baddie have really dark eyebrows, so that's what we're gonna try to accomplish. Okay, boom. Oh my gosh, I look so different. Oh my gosh. The concealer again, the outline, the eyebrow. And you know, Insta Baddies wear a lot of makeup, so we gotta put a lot. City girls.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay. Boom. Wait, do people do right here? Do that part? I don't know. I don't think they do that part. I'm trying not to get black everywhere because I put black on it. My eyebrow looks a mess. What's wrong with my eyebrow? What is going on with my eyebrow? Yes, this is working. This is working. I did that. Whenever I do my mascara, I put Vaseline on my eyelashes because my eyelashes get really, really weak when I put mascara on. So I put it like as a base, basically. Alright. I hate when I put mascara and it gets on my eyelid. Like, why does that happen? Somebody tell me, is there like a trick or something to not make that happen? So this is a mascara I have. It's a little bigger, thicker. Ooh, I put too much, I think. Actually, it's never too much because it's Insta Baddie style. I think it's ever too much. My eyelashes could go to my hairline and it would be cute. Okay. My eyelashes popping. I don't have an eyelash curler, sadly. I have not purchased that yet, but I'm just gonna use this to like brush it up a little bit. And it worked. Okay. So now this is my favorite. I'm gonna take this huge, huge brush and I'm going to, where's my counter? Oh my god. And the air just cut on. Put it all over my face. This is gonna be hard to wash off. I'm trying to get rid of the mascara on my eyelid. What I need to fix is my eyebrow. Make it a little bit darker, not too much. Okay, boom. I don't think y'all have ever seen me put on so much makeup. Some people do this every day. That's insane. That's crazy to think about. So, I have this thing. Who's texting me? Nobody? Okay. I'm gonna do this. And I'm just gonna go right down my nose. Down my nose again. I've done this before, this part. And down my nose again. I tap it like very little, so it's not so extra. And then I go across like this. I think I'm gonna stick with this. I'm gonna go with that and this. This is gonna look good together, isn't it? Make this color. Ooh, Insta Baddies have big lips, so I'm gonna try to make my lips look bigger. Ooh, this is such a catfish. This isn't me. So I'm gonna go like over my actual lip line, and we'll see what happens. Ready, set, go. I think it worked. Don't like Insta Baddie yet. Don't like Insta Baddie yet. Okay, so I'm gonna try something so cool. Take the concealer and I'm gonna put like a line in my eyebrow. Better than nothing. You can't tell that it looks bad from afar. You can't. You just can't. You just can't. I think we're done with our makeup. Oh, my makeup looks good-ish, kind of. I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on, just for sparkle purposes. So. Now it's time for hair. Should I leave it in the middle? Like part it down the middle? Is that INSTA BADDIE? Put it like how it was? Or that? And then there's this. This looks better. Okay, boom. So now that is settled, I just decided that I wanted to put gold on my eyes. Because why not? You know, INSTA BADDIEs have really strong makeup, so we're gonna make it really bright. Super bright. Period. Should I put it? Nah. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, did I break it? And you already know what's going on. You already know what's going on. Okay, I have these little like horseshoe ones. I've been fine. Oh shoot, I almost dropped it down the drain. That would have been scary. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Boom. Boom. I'll try and do it with my hand and see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Looks like there's makeup too involved with it. Like they put like their sideburns like at the bottom. When like they bring it down and then they curve it kind of. Ow, my ear. Ow, ow. Do not try this at home. Not while wearing earrings anyway. Okay, I'm gonna try and curve it now. You can see what I'm doing. Oh my god, did I do it? Oh, I did it. Oh my god, this is so cool. So now we're gonna go to my room. Okay, now we're in my room. And my room is very messy. Like, look at my bed. But we ain't gonna talk about that. And you guys, usually I would take, ooh, my makeup actually does look pretty good. Girl, oh my gosh. Okay, so basically I wanted to go outside and take pictures, but outside, it's snowing outside. It's like I could feel the cold through the window. And I wanted to go outside and take pictures, but you know, obviously it's snowing and it's too cold. I'll try to go in the bathroom so you guys can see me. Oh, body, yaddy. I have the dress on, and this is what it looks like. Kind of uncomfortable, to be honest. I'm still wearing these like leggings. Well, let me close my legs. I ain't even sure. I'm trying to decide, should I leave my hair like in a ponytail? Or should I wear it down? I'm gonna wear it down. This is super cute. Oh, yeah. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My nails kind of look, but you know, we're not worried about the nails right now. We're not worried about the nails. We're worried about the face. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment your favorite part of this video. Comment what you want to see next, or comment if you just simply like the video and what you liked about it. And don't forget, don't tip your crown, because you're all that inside and out. Peace.